Alright guys, here we are back on the firing range with LockPickingLawyer.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Ready to do some more shooting.
And we're going to do some damage today, I think. We got what I consider to be a soft lock, and we got a hard lock.
This is definitely a soft one. I think we've had some luck against similar locks with the 9mm, and I'm expecting the same with this.
I am too. Based on what we've seen so far, the previous two aluminum bodies, it basically sheared off the shackle down inside of the lock body, leaving parts, and it just split. And
so
if we can hit it somewhere in the top, with what though? What do you want to go with?
9mm.
I agree.
It's got to be the way to start there.
The other two failed at 9mm. I'm thinking this is going to do the same thing.
This one, on the other hand,
that's a different story.
I don't think we bother with any pistol calibers.
No way. Not going to.
Start with the 223 and
move up from there.
And if experience is any indicator, we're probably going to have to resort to the 308.
Possibly, based on how thick this is. Maybe even pull out some armor piercing.
So let's take him down range and see what happens.
Let's find out. Got it?
Yeah, I see it. About 70 yards.
All right, let's go try to find it.
Okay. I'm going to keep an eye on this guy. He's not... Give me 1 second. Get my eye off it. I think I see it again. No.
No, very little effect. I'll be damned. Caught a tiny piece of frag on my right elbow. Oh man. Okay, the core of the lock has been completely blown out. But because it's smashed, I doubt you'd be able to turn the actuator with a screwdriver. But that's not what this is about, is it?
No, it's getting it.
Look at that. Man, you are taking chunks out of it. It's even cracked on that side of the shackle. Look at that. Oh. That is cool.
I think the 308 will finish the job.
I hope so. Where do you think I ought to put it?
I think right along there.
Right in the weakened area? Okay, we'll try it. See what happens.
Well, that's one way to do it. Take half the lock off.
I kept nailing it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, it just sheared that metal, pure metal fatigue.
Wow, that is so hot right now.
That is,
a lot of energy went into that thing.
That is one tough lock right there.
Okay, so 5 rounds of 223 and
3 rounds of 308. Man. All right, guys, that's quite a show, eh?
The American 1100 did pretty much exactly what we thought.
Yeah, I mean, soft aluminum body, that bullet just hit and sheared off. We did find that shackle.
Yep, just broke it at the narrowest point.
And so the ball bearings, I don't know if you can see that, but the ball bearings are still holding the tips down. So in effect, it's still locked. It's just been defeated.
This one's been defeated too.
Yeah,
but it took a lot more.
A lot more effort on that guy.
We put 5 .223 rounds into it,
Yeah.
created a big cavity, cracked the lock body a little bit, but it held fast. It wasn't until you brought out the 308 that we tore half of the lock body off.
Took, what, 3 shots of the 308 to
Yep.
completely cause metal fatigue over there, to cause it to fail. This is a tough, tough lock.
I would trust that.
I would trust that. All right, so what do we got next week?
Next
show?
week, we're going back to my channel, and we're doing some combination locks.
Yeah?
We've got a master lock. Now, I forgot to bring my Nerf gun.
I got some rubber bands in the truck.
We can try that first.
Okay, we'll try that first.
But maybe we'll try the 22 first.
That'd be fun.
Then we have a Brinks here.
Okay.
And then we have this word lock. So you're gonna have to go back over to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, there will be a link in the description below. But I think that's it for today.
All right, guys, stay safe, stay legal, and see you in the next episode.